How to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily use two WhatsApp accounts on your phone. So without any further delay, let's just jump right in. First thing you need to do is check if your phone supports dual apps. So in some cases, what happens is if you go over to settings menu, I'm currently using a Samsung device, and Samsung allows its users to clone its messenger apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, and more. So you can do that by going over to advanced features, then go to dual messenger. And then from here, you can clone all of these apps, and you should be able to log into WhatsApp from here. So just make sure you install the clone for WhatsApp, and it has this little blue icon at the bottom right corner of its thumbnail, and then just tap on it. Make sure you log into one account from here, and then from there you can just go ahead and use another one on this normal WhatsApp. So once that is done, if you don't have this option, what you can do is instead use your web browser. Go over to Google Chrome or any other web browser. Then you can just simply search for WhatsApp Web. And once you search for WhatsApp Web, you can just go ahead and tap on web.whatsapp.com. Then you can just go ahead and share the link, or from your browser, you can continue. If you see this option, you can tap on the three dots at the top right and then turn on desktop site. Once you turn on desktop site, you can easily log into your account from here. You can either scan the QR code or you can just log in with your phone number. So I can just tap on login with phone number, enter the phone number here, tap on next, and basically log into your other account from here. That's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.